£1,000 got taken out of my account. You have to learn from my mistakes. So really early on in my handmade business journey, my shop was doing okay, but it wasn't kind of advanced enough to withstand lots of people coming to it. It didn't have a funnel. It was just a kind of shop with a few listings in it. And I majorly got shiny object syndrome, which is where you're like, oh, I can do this. Oh, I can do that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I started to run Google ads and Facebook ads. And let me tell you, I was somewhat panicked when about a week later, £1,000 got taken out of my account from both of them. And I was like, oh my God. And basically what had happened is, predictably, because my shop wasn't advanced enough yet, I didn't really know who my target audience was. I didn't really have a niche, if I'm being honest. I was kind of broadly running ads and every person and their dog was clicking on them but not buying anything. So basically this means I spent £1,000 and I got nothing back. I also did the exact same with Etsy ads, although I was able to control the budget a little bit better. But please do not run before you can walk. Make sure that your handmade business has got everything up and running and sturdy before you start spending money on ads. Otherwise, you're basically flushing money down the drain.